What's up, guys, and welcome to Alicia in the Kitchen. Today I have a dessert mukbang for you guys. I was going to do this because I was eating leftovers, and I was like, But you know what? It's a first time for everything, right? So, let me show you this dessert. I have cinnamon roll, I have bacon cake, I got apple pie, and I got leftover casserole, sweet potato casserole. That I put marshmallows up there because all the marshmallows was gone. But hey, a girl gotta do what a girl gotta do, especially when you got a sweet tooth, honey. Sweets is your best friend when you just put it all together. But I'm gonna go ahead, dig right on in. I don't know if you guys can see this whole plate. My sweet potato casserole. The sweet potato casserole, I put pecans in it. And they got roasted marshmallows somewhere. Things ain't good until you have it in leftovers, okay? Leftovers is your girl best friend. Hope you guys can see me. I put the cake in the microwave. It's all the frosting left. It's good though. It's strawberry cake. So I had this channel for a while. I've been dipping and dabbing channels to see what I want to do. It's hard starting a channel when you have money and your money gotta go towards bills, gotta go towards tuition. And you can't put money into your channel. But one thing you can put is food. Something that you eat day to day. I don't eat big, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try. Just for this mukbang channel, I'm gonna try to eat big. Which just means I gotta exercise a little more than I normally do. Got water. Nice, cold water. Apple pie. Apple pie is always better if you warm it up in the oven. Like the microwave makes it soggy, not salty, soggy. I might want that. Need to invest in a little table to eat on. This is really good. Probably shouldn't be eating all these sweets in one, huh? Leave in the comments the things you guys want me to eat. Because your girl don't know what to eat. A lot of people love seafood. Love to see people eat seafood. I'm not big on seafood. Let me show you this plate. I might eat seafood once in a while. But, hey. This thing is tiring. I'm in off the plate. Paper plate gang over here, honey. I bit off of this too. I bought these at Walmart. The frozen food section come in little bags where you like rice and then cook them. These things are good. They're super good. I should put some napkins. It's snow here in Chicago, and I got the window wide open. Maybe I shouldn't do that. But it's so hot. So hot in the house. Gotta open the window. Especially when I eat. When I eat, I get super hot. A little bit too hot. I don't want no more. I had enough sweets. I'm tired of it. So, I ate a lot. At least I think I ate a lot. I'm not a fan. Not a fan of sweets. But it's my plate. I took a bite at everything now. But thanks for watching my first mukbang channel. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments what you guys would like to see me eat. Until next time. Bye.